Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Hacker. Today we are going to make turtle race game with Python. And I am using PythonTurtle for making this project. You can use another Python applications like SpiderIdle, Anaconda, Visual Studio Code and more. This turtle race game is so easy. Please see this video till end, and comment me below, how was this project? So friends, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon. And also share my video to your friends. Thank you to all my subscribers, stay home, stay safe, and keep coding.